start again. It's a rich thing.
To my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you to a really cool place in my town where you can come have a massage. It's a spa, and I'm about to try out their services. I'm going to give a review after I'm done, so come along with me, guys. I'm definitely going to enjoy myself. See you guys later. Bye. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please check out the next video where I do a comprehensive review of my experience here at Reine Spa. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in that video. Bye guys.